How to make hotel reservations in booking.com. So here is a step-by-step guide. First of all, go to the booking.com, open any web browser or the booking.com app, and make sure that you are signed into your booking.com account. Now once here, you can simply enter your destination, choose check-in and check-out dates, and select number of guests and room and click or tap on the search. Or you can simply scroll down and you will get to see some locations that you were interested in, and all you have to do is simply tap on it. So let me just tap on any random location available here. Then you will get to see the number of hotels or restaurants available there. Now scroll down and tap on any according to your preferences. All you have to do is select a hotel. Now here you can see room types and prices, photos, reviews from past guests, and the cancellation policy. Once you are simply okay with all provided here, tap on the reserve button available at the top right corner of your screen. You can simply choose whichever room you prefer, then tap on the reserve. Now, once you tap on the reserve, all you have to do is enter your guest and payment details. Add guest name, email, and phone number. Enter payment method, usually credit or debit card. Some booking offer pay at hotel or free cancellation as well. So make sure that you look through it, and that will be. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.